Hey guys, Aaron here with the Chevy Silverado 1500. We're gonna do another mod. This is just the second thing I'm doing right after purchasing this truck, and I will put a link to this in the description. In this box is a pack of 6 of these tie downs made specifically for this truck. So where these plastic caps were, I'm gonna pop them off, and we're supposed to easily be able to install one of these. So let me try one. So just turn these counterclockwise to loosen them. With it unscrewed all the way, I can squeeze the springs in and flatten them out, and then I can pass it all the way through. And once I release it, I can just kind of pull it towards me to put a little bit of pressure on it while I turn it clockwise. And there we go. It is locked into place now. It's not going anywhere. I'm just gonna take a flathead, pop these off, and continue to knock out 3 on this side and then 3 more on that side. In case you wanted to hook it from the top or the bottom, you can turn them just a quarter turn. It keeps getting tighter, of course, as you turn to the right, but you can back it off some and it's still firmly attached to use it in either direction. Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of content on this truck coming up on the channel.